In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent text effect in Canva. If you're looking to give your designs a modern and stylish touch, this effect is perfect for you. It's simple, quick, and adds a layer of sophistication to any project. So let's dive right in and create that stunning look you're striving for. First things first, you want to open Canva on your computer or mobile device. If you're familiar with Canva, you know it's a versatile online design tool that's great for creating everything from social media posts to presentations. Once you've opened Canva, log in if you haven't already. Having a stable internet connection will make sure your session runs smoothly. Now, once you're in, it's time to create a new design. Depending on the type of project you're working on, you can choose from a variety of sizes. Whether it's an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail, Canva provides several templates that are just a click away. If you have specific dimensions in mind, you can also input those manually. Next, let's add a bit of flair by incorporating a background. You could choose an image, a video clip, or a simple color gradient, something that fits the theme of your project. Canva offers a rich library of media assets to choose from, or you can upload your own for that personal touch. Just drag and drop onto your canvas, and your background comes to life. With your background set, it's time to introduce text into your design. Head over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select Text. Start typing the word or phrase you want to transform. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and sizes until you find the one that looks just right. Once you've typed out your text, click on it to select it. This is an important step because you need the text to be active in order to apply any effects. You'll notice a menu appears at the top of the screen, giving you several different options to modify your text. Locate and click on Effects in this menu. Here, you will see various text effect options, but today we are focusing on the hollow effect. Select this effect and you'll instantly see your text transform. It creates an outline of the letters, making the inside transparent and letting the background show through that empty space. This is the magic moment where your design starts to stand out. Finally, let's fine-tune that transparency by adjusting the thickness. The thickness slider allows you to change how bold or subtle the outline of your text should be. Drag the slider to compose the perfect balance that complements both your text and background. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to create a transparent text effect in Canva. This effect is versatile, making it ideal for various projects, whether you're looking to create a logo or design a sophisticated cover page. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!